Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business? Do you know that by 2025, ignoring SEO could cost your business everything? That's right. In 2025, it's predicted that over $150 billion will be spent on search engine optimization. And if you're not one of them, you're going to get left behind. You need to know 3 things. First, how to do a basic SEO audit. This is going to tell you exactly where you stand and what you need to improve. You can use tools like Surfer SEO or Ahrefs. Just enter your website and it'll give you a full report. Second, you need to understand how search engines work. This is so that you can make sure your website is showing up for the right keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find the right keywords to target. And third, you need to make sure your content is top-notch. This means well-written, informative, and engaging. Use tools like Grammarly and Hemingway to make sure your content is perfect. If you ignore SEO, your business will suffer. So take action today and make sure you're ready for 2025. Do you know how to unlock your business potential? It's time to learn the latest SEO techniques that you must know for 2025. And if you don't know these, it could cost you everything. I'm going to share with you 3 techniques that you need to be aware of. So make sure you stay tuned. First and foremost, you need to understand that SEO is not dead. In fact, it's more important than ever. Because if you're not ranking on the first page of Google, you're not going to get any traffic. And if you don't get any traffic, you're not going to make any sales. The second thing you need to understand is that Google is always changing. And if you don't keep up with the changes, you're going to get left behind. That means you need to learn new things and implement them on your website. Otherwise, your competitors will overtake you. And finally, you need to understand that SEO is not a set it and forget it strategy. You need to be consistent with your efforts. You need to keep learning and keep implementing. Otherwise, you will fall behind your competitors. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to learn these techniques. Don't ignore SEO or you could pay the price. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business? If you want to stay ahead of the curve and dominate your industry in 2025, then you need to know the SEO techniques that will make or break your business. In this video, we'll share the top SEO tips that you must know for 2025. From optimizing your website to ranking higher in search results, increasing your organic traffic, generating more leads and sales, and ultimately driving business growth. Why should you care about SEO? Well, simply put, if you ignore SEO, your business could die. In fact, 43% of businesses have lost customers to competitors with better online experiences. And with 93% of online experiences starting with a search engine, it's clear that SEO is no longer the question. It has to be a part of your strategy. So what are you waiting for? Click now and get your free copy of the SEO playbook. It's time to take your business to the next level. Don't miss out.